Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully you're doing well. So today we will be doing a very beautiful scenery of Aurora in the mountain. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you come to know about my new videos. And also if you like the painting, please press a like button. And so let's get started, friends. So first of all, for the Aurora part, we will be using green, which is medium green, or either you can use emerald with a mix of medium green. This empty parts so that we can apply the other colors. Aurora in itself is having very beautiful colors. Cobalt blue just to the sides, so you can use any brush that you are comfortable with. Persian blue or petal blue, whichever you have. Grab a toothbrush and you can sprinkle over the whole light, just like this. So now we have sketched our mountain here, and then we are going to start with the Persian blue or the patella blue. With the same Persian blue over here. green, medium green, you can grab that as well. Just to give a little bit of impression of the houses, for the houses, buildings, just this. So now we will be completing the water area. So I have used cobalt blue with a little bit of white. So now just to give it a bit more water look, we will be using white. This part a bit more distant, I have used the dark color with a little bit of black, and I'm using a sponge and dab across here. These cotton buds with the crimson, a little bit of white in it, and we will be dabbing like this. It's more better way to use it, and you can apply it more better. Okay guys, then we are done now, and now we'll peel off our masking tape, and it is the ASMR time. And here is the final look. Guys, hopefully that you like my painting, the beautiful Aurora with the mountain plus the cherry blossom. If you like the painting, please press the like button, and see you next time guys. Have a good time. Bye.